a red color. I'm gonna use this color Chili right here. I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and I'm just gonna blend it on my crease. You wanna go a little higher than the crease. Just like this. And you want the color to be really red on that top part. So if you need to, you can always go back in with some more red and just blend it out. And the trick to this is you just have to keep on blending. Your blending brush is also a very important part to blending. If you have a brush that's way too fluffy, it's going to be hard to blend it out in a certain area, especially this area. So for a much more closer look, I'm going to come closer to you guys and show you exactly how I do that. So I'm starting off right here and I'm using a blending brush, not even an angled blending, it's just a blending brush. And I'm just going to go like this. Literally, it's super easy. You just start off with a very little pigment from your eyeshadow, and you want to continue on and blend. And when you get the desired amount of color, so right now it's not matching this, so I'm gonna go ahead with more, and I'm gonna add it on to that same layer of red until I get the desired amount of color. And just continue doing that until you get a very flawless ending and a flawless finishing as well. Now for the brow bone, you want to apply something like this color right here. This color Straw. Apply that to your brow bone area. Now my trick here is to pat it and not drag, because if you're dragging it, you're basically ruining the foundation or concealer that you've applied underneath. So please do not drag. I'm gonna go ahead and do that same thing to the other eyebrow bone. So taking another blending brush, this one is by e.l.f., a very pointed angled brush like this. I'm going to take this color right here, and this one is called Sunrise. Apply that color to the crease underneath the red. Blow it off sometimes if it's too much, and then you just basically apply it onto the crease underneath the red color. At this point, if you feel that you need more red on that one layer, you can go ahead and add some more. It's totally fine if you need to go back and fix things, because that's how makeup works. You need to always go back. You need to check your work. Just like any other problem to solve, you have to always check yourself and make sure that you're doing everything perfectly. This is the brush. It's a detailed brush. You need to go with this brush using a yellow color. The color that I'm going to use is going to be called Lemon. If you don't think that this is enough for you, you can always mix it with two different kinds of yellow. So what I will be doing is mixing this lemon color right here and then mixing the yolk color right here. Those are two different shades of yellow, and we're basically going to mix them too and then apply it to the color underneath the orange color. Both yellow, I've already mixed it. You take that and you want to apply it underneath. It doesn't need to be perfect because again, we're transitioning into each color. So what we're gonna do is we're going underneath that orange. Even though you can't see it completely, that's totally fine. What you gotta do is you just gotta keep on adding more and more until you do see a bit of yellow, as you can see here. That's the trick, basically. You just keep adding until you see your best result. And if you think that you can't really blend it out perfectly, you can always use the help of a clean blending brush and just blend it out. So technically at this point we're gonna go in with darker color, so you do not want any fallout to bother your rest of your makeup. So right now I'm applying a tape. Because of the dark colors, you don't want the dark colors to fall out and ruin the rest of your face makeup. Because I am wearing foundation right now, it's just gonna be way easier, trust me. Because I'm gonna apply a green color like this, like a little rainbow, I need to apply a concealer or eyeshadow primer. I'm taking a pointy brush like this, very thin, and I'm just gonna grab some product from this, and I'm just going to create that rainbow shape. We need to take a green color like this, going under the yellow, and where we've applied the concealer or eyeshadow primer, we want to use the detail brush like this, and we want to kind of go over that area and make a little stripe, basically like a rainbow. We want to make the color very dark, or as dark as you'd like. Me, I just need it to be green. Some blue. The blue that I'm going to apply right now is just a royal blue color right here. I'm going to take the slightest amount of blue onto my flat brush. I'm going to drag it downwards like this, and I'm just applying it. Drag it down a little bit like this. Going back with your concealer or a shadow primer, you want to go in with this, take your brush again, and you basically want to take the slightest little bit of it and create a cup shape right in the center of the blue. Using the same flat brush, clean it out a little bit with a baby wipe or a makeup wipe, and go in with the indigo or a purple color. This one right here is called Lilac. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that and apply it to the center where we've applied the concealer already. Line the rest of my line with the lilac color. Now at this point you can remove your tape. It's going to clean off all of the flaws. Okay, so after that you want to go ahead and choose your eyelashes. Before we apply eyelashes, you always want to make sure you apply some sort of mascara. This is the mascara that I'm using right now. It has a lot of tiny bristles, so we're just going to use that to the top and bottom lashes. Specifically for this look, we don't really need to apply eyeliner because that will take away all of our colors and it will look way too intense for the look as it already is. I'm not going to apply eyeliner. You guys can if you want to. That's totally your preference. So this here is the eyelash right here. I've already applied a little strip of glue on there, and so I'm just gonna wait until it dries, and you guys know that I apply them underneath the lashes instead of on top. So now that you've applied your eyelashes, you need to go apply some lipstick. This is going to be the lipstick I'm applying. This is the finishing look. You can literally do this look at home all by yourself. Like, these eyelashes go really well with this certain look. They're very like natural, yet they're very long. If you ended up liking this video, please do give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you want to see more videos like this in the near future, then please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until my next video, everyone, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.